Hello everyone, good afternoon. I am vlogging on our new DJI Osmo Pocket, so the viewfinder is very small. I should probably look up at the camera, which I never do, I know. So yeah, let's see what this is like. I think it does like face tracking and stuff, so hopefully it'll be good quality, but we are testing it out for video quality and sound quality. So it is a Thursday. I'm just waiting for Sam to get home. He's off work this week, but he's running it like a course on Saturday, so he's kind of running around like a headless chicken trying to get stuff sorted. I did a little bit of work this morning. It's not like a work day for me, but I had some stuff I needed to do, and then I went to the gym, so I'm feeling much better for that. And now we are about to go to IKEA, which I'm really looking forward to. We are doing some like wedding bits, like just buying stuff that we just need to get started, like little baskets and just like decoration-y bits. So I thought it would be fun to vlog that, and since this camera is so small, I thought it would be like really easy to take around IKEA, because who doesn't love IKEA? We're gonna go to the one at Greenwich, so yes, that will be super exciting. What else is new? I've had my hair done, I've had it cut, and it's like a slightly darker, more natural colour, and I'm really happy with it. Just gone a little bit more natural because it goes like quite fake bleachy blonde in the sun, so I feel happy about that. I'm dressed quite autumny today too, for a nice change. I'm wearing like this smock dress from Boohoo, and I've got some new boots on from New Look. Woo! I'm trying to think what else is new. Oh, I've had my like hen party invite now, which is really exciting. Okay, that's better. No, I've had my hen party invite, so I know where it is. I have to go to Ascot train station, and that's basically all I know, other than like a few other packing lists. So yeah, I'm so excited. That's in October, so just over a month away. I can't believe it's September already. It is just absolutely crazy. I'll take this off, don't worry. I've ordered like quite a few white outfits for that. It's getting really hard now with like hen party, wedding stuff, like how much to show, because normal me would be like, look at all these outfits I bought, and do like a try on and like show you everything I'm buying for the wedding. But I feel like if people who know me watch my videos, which is actually quite a small number of people, but anyway, then if I show too much, it kind of ruins stuff. I don't know, it's really difficult, so I might have to do more videos like post-wedding. Like I've got one of the cake toppers that I've ordered here, because we've got two. We've got like a normal wedding cake and a cheese wedding cake, but I feel like I can't show it because it's just gonna spoil it. I'm back, let's do this. I gather she's been waiting for me all morning. My bad. Can we go to IKEA now? Yes, it's actually pronounced IKEA. Do you know that? But the wonderful everyday. Let's go. My cake. Looking at the plain white pillowcases. having fun already. Sit on the perf. Come on. They're firmer than anything. Why would you want to sit on that? You look great. Oh, hello. I do actually quite like the white. Okay, we've got quite a few things so far. Mainly like photo frames and things. Hi! Oh. Oh. Does it come in other colours? I don't think it does. Oh, we did it! How was it? Yeah, great. I love the IKEA trip. Yeah, we did. We've got a few bits. I might do like a quick show. I was saying earlier that it's a weird one, because with hen party stuff, like outfits, and also wedding stuff, I feel like I can't show everything, because then people, especially like family members or friends, if they watch it, will know things that perhaps they shouldn't. Do you know what I mean? I'm talking to you. So basically I'm saying, how much do we show? I know that we only got like frames and random stuff, but it becomes this hard thing because the cake... You want that to be a surprise for people? Because like the cake topper arrived, I don't want to keep showing everything we're getting for the wedding, because then it makes it less exciting, doesn't it? For when, yeah. Just show a few things, but not most things. Okay. Just going to Sainsbury's to get some ingredients because Sam's going to cook me dinner. How sweet. What are you going to make?
We make cacio e pepe.
Cacio e pepe. We have no idea how to make it. We need to look it up.
It's very easy.
And some salads. It's very easy. Or is it, Chef? Have you made it before?
Yeah, I have actually.
Have you?
It's like the simplest pasta dish you can make.
When did you make it?
I made
Oh my gosh, look at all those shops.
Oh my god.
There's like a Matalan. Look what I found. Ta-da! I work for this brand in case you didn't already know. And redid the packaging on the back. And it's launched in Sainsbury's. So yeah, go and pick it up and support me. On the hunt for Sam. There you are. I guess what I just found. Guess what I just found?
What?
Paleo granola.
Oh, well done.
Is this all for us?
Of course not.
Just so you know, we don't drink this stuff or really eat all of this crap. We just eat cheesy pasta. No, Sam's buying stuff for a course. Really craving this milk chocolate, but they've just changed it, so it's now split into 2 flavours. I mean, I just don't know. We're gonna get both. Ready? Okay.
I'm having an educational party.
Oh, this is huge.
I thought we were just going to go to the supermarket and go home. Why are we here?
We need to get flip-flops for the wedding.
I thought we were just having a quick look at some flip-flops.
I know, but it's nice. These are a good length. Because in other shops they're too big, they're too long.
Guess.
90p. Okay.
Just get a couple of extra special pairs for certain people. Like comfortable ones for the parents. So a quick trip into Primark on wedding business.
I'm gonna get.
It's turned into a clothes shopping trip.
I'm just gonna get this skirt, and you're getting a shirt. I really like it. It's nice.
Worth the go?
Did it! We've got 2 big bags of flip flops. I feel. Oh, where's the car? I feel so much like more on top of things now. Like, 'cause I feel like we can start filling up like the little baskets we bought. I'm windswept. Basically, we bought some we just bought some little toiletry baskets from Primark because we want to put little toiletries in the men's and ladies' bathrooms for people to freshen up and stuff. So yeah, it just means that I know it's still, well, less than 3 months away until the wedding now, but it's just nice to just start doing the little things that you don't want to be thinking about like in the few weeks before. So yeah, I feel much more on top of things now. Do you?
Yeah, it's good.
Whoop, 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 whoop. Yeah, I'll show you some bits maybe when we get home.
Pimento stuffed olives for me.
I've got nocellara ones, which are much nicer because they're super buttery. Well. Are you? Yeah. These are all the ingredients for our dinner. Sam is going to cook up a storm. We've got a salad to have, caprese to make, and I think it's literally just pasta, parmesan, and pepper.
Yeah.
3 ingredient meal, eh?
It's pecorino romano.
Oh, pecorino romano, eh? And then just super quickly, our flat is just, there's just so much crap everywhere at the moment. I just got sent some Squirrel Sisters treats. I absolutely love these, so that was really nice of them. It's to celebrate their launch in Waitrose of their like pouches. And then we got loads of flip-flops, as you saw, and we just got a few bits like the wicker baskets, lots of different photo frames. And yeah, that is pretty much it. So not too exciting, but a very productive afternoon.
Yeah, it was great.
Yeah, and now you're gonna make us dinner.
Yeah, just need a few minutes.
Yes. This is what it's like, by the way. You can't spend more than like half an hour away from phone or laptop, emails. We may have had an argument last night because I got really annoyed because Sam was like checking an email and replying to it like at 10:30 p.m. and I was like, what is so important, work related, that it needs to be done right this second? But you know, I'm chill today. I'm so chill. Check this out. I'm getting so excited now. Got lots of little bits to crack on with. And just need to get a few more flip-flops for here actually because it's looking a little bit bare. But so excited. You okay there, Mr. Chef?
Yeah.
So we bought these for the wedding, or we've bought one, we need to order the rest, so that the meat carvers on each table can wear chef hats and aprons. Just cooking the pasta, and look at this, Sam has made the most amazing looking caprese, and we've got a little rocket salad here. The light's on so everything looks a bit weird and shiny, but it's going to be delicious.
Buon appetito.
Yum, this looks so good. Let's eat.
No, you look great. You look really good. How is it? How's the cacio e pepe?
That's amazing.
Yeah.
This is good. Slightly too much pepper. Ever so slightly. Mouth is on fire.
Easily done.
But it is very good.
And the salad?
Yeah, the salad is great too. And I'm sorry, I'm butchering this Italian meal by using a knife, but I just got to get it in, you know. Hello, hello, hello. It is now Sunday, and I am just tucking into some bacony cabbage pasta that I made last night. And Sam and I have just had a nice lazy morning. And we're actually going to head to the shops again to get some more bits, like run some errands. The same shops we were at on Thursday. So this might be a bit of a boring kind of vlog because we're going to revisit the same places. Not IKEA though, but we need to get a few bits. How are you?
I'm good.
Yeah? How was your course that you ran on Saturday? Did it go well?
It went very well.
Cool.
I'm so pleased it's over, to be honest.
Yay, proud of you. And Sam's wearing his new Primark shirt, and I'm wearing my new. Yeah.
I actually really like it. It's really soft.
It is really nice. And I'm wearing the Primark skirt that we got. So, kitted out in Primark's finest. We're just in the process of ordering some more wedding signs, like our welcome sign and bits like that. So I'm really looking forward to that. The woman who's doing it has a shop on Etsy called Little Stag Signs. I'll put her in the description below. Ugh, can't talk. Because she's amazing. She's done our table numbers. And yes, super exciting. We also need to do our day stationery, don't we?
Day stationery?
Yeah.
What does that mean?
Place names, seating
yeah.
plan, order of the day.
That's all going to come from the same lady that did our invites though, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're on top of that.
We're on top of things. Where else would we be? We're always on top of things. I got a new coat yesterday as well, and I'm absolutely obsessed with it. It's like a cape coat, and it's got like a fur trim, fur around the sleeves. It's suede. It's from River Island. I am really obsessed. I got it with some birthday vouchers that my dad got me, so that was a nice little treat because it's not usually something I would spend money on because it's not like the most practical of coats, but I just absolutely love it. What are you doing?
Eating an apple.
Can we go, please?
You?
You're such a procrastinator. I like your outfit.
Do you like the shirt?
I like the shoes. Yeah, the shirt's nice. I like it a bit oversized, you know?
Once it's washed once, I think it's going to be...
Yeah.
Right.
Over your big biceps.
You better cut that bit out. That's a bit cringe. You having fun?
Yes. We could look at guest books, actually.
From here?
Yeah.
Okay. It's like getting into like a tip. Come on, sort it out, Home Sense.
Back in Sainsbury's again. We're getting stuff to make roast chicken tonight. Cheating with the goose fat potatoes though for Aunt Bessie. Are they Aunt Bessie? Yes.
I bet it was over in the baking house.
Getting the boring cleaning stuff. Is that on offer? No. Okay, basket of flip-flops is complete, and we've got some little toiletry boxes where I've put various things in, like hand cream, hairbrush, hairspray, things that ladies might need, and then Sam's is like super practical with like breath spray and deodorant. But yeah, I've got dry shampoo and everything, so hopefully if people need to freshen up, they can. The chicken is in the oven. I'm parboiling some carrots. I'm about to put the fake roasties on. These are like the duck fat ones, they should be good. And Sam is making an apple and plum crumble.
What?
Apple and plum. Oh, what did I say?
Is it plum? What's a plum?
You're a plum. Apple and plum crumble. Is it like a healthier version, did you say?
Probably not.
Probably not. Just a normal apple and plum crumble. Crimble crumble.
Just a crumble.
That's from Friday Night Dinner, isn't it? Crimble crumble. Have you ever watched that?
Is that my outfit?
Yeah, you look great. You've swapped the nice jeans for the pyjama bottoms, and you even tucked in the shirt for practical reasons.
Trying on my new shorts.
Oh, I'm so hungry. This is the delicious stewed fruit, and we're nearly ready to go. I'm just cooking the gravy. We bought like the Sainsbury's Taste the Difference. Sam got lemon zest all over the hob, so don't mind that. We're cooking some spring greens. The chicken is out. This one's got like stuffing in it as well, a pork stuffing. And the carrots and potatoes are just finishing cooking. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Whoop, whoop. Delicious. And I may have forgotten to film and already ate half of mine while you were carving the chicken. Is it good?
Yeah, it's lovely. Really good.
Yes. That is nice.
It might taste alright. I don't know about the crumble.
Sam kind of made up the recipe to make it healthier.
Made it up as I went along.
I'll start with that. That looks good.
Yeah?
Yeah. I don't want any yogurt.
Oh.
I'll try it on its own. I'll try it as it is. Okay. It's good. What do you think?
Not bad.
I've got pseudocreme on my face, by the way. But this is super delish. Right, crumble has been had, and I think I'm going to finish the vlog here.
Is that the vlog finished already?
Yeah, I know.
Fun is over.
I know, the fun's over. Right. I don't know what my next video will be, but thank you so much for watching this one. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Follow me on Instagram and subscribe. Did I already say that?
What you need to do is give it a thumbs up, click subscribe, and
what else? Come back next time?
see you in the next one, yeah.
Yeah, see you in
That's all. I thought there was something else you have to do. No, that's it.
Yep. Thank you so much for watching, and we, or I, will see you in the next one. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Oh my god, I literally just pulled crumble out of my hair.